It's been about 3 years since the case involving Migori Governor Okoth Obado in the murder case of Sharon has been stalling for that long. It started earlier on today. It will run all the way to the 15th of July after having stalled for 3 years. The hearing of the murder case against Migori Governor Okoth Obado and two others commenced today, nearly 3 years after the September 2018 murder of former Rongo University student Sharon Belyn Otieno and her unborn child. The prosecution told the court that it will prove its case against the governor, Oyamo and Caspal Obiero, beyond a shadow of doubt. And as Waihiga Mwaura tells us, today's proceedings were dominated by gruesome details of how the late Sharon met her death. Please note that parental caution should be exercised, as some of the details in this story may be traumatizing for younger viewers.
In her opening statement, Advocate Catherine Mwaniki, arguing for the state, said that the witness accounts that would be heard by the court would help to piece together pieces of evidence to solve the murder puzzle. She told the court in Milimani that the evidence presented will prove that Governor Okoth Obado, his co-accused Oyamo and Caspal Obiero, and others not before the court committed the offense.
Shall further demonstrate how Sharon and her unborn baby and a prosecution witness were handed over to the killers. And we shall also see how the prosecution witness escaped from the hands of the killers.
State lawyer Mwaniki further added that the governor stood to benefit the most from the death of the university student and her unborn child after their interaction, which lasted a little under 1 year.
My lady, we shall demonstrate that it was not an accident and neither an occurrence of nature. We ask this honorable court to remember in the course of the trial the voice of these two beautiful souls.
Thereafter, the first prosecution witness of the day, Chief Government Pathologist Johansen Odwor, testified before the court on how the gruesome murder of university student Sharon Otieno and her unborn baby was carried out. Odwor told the court that Sharon had 7 stab wounds and 2 slash wounds.
I form the opinion that the cause of death of the late Sharon was severe hemorrhage due to penetrating force trauma. Also of note were features of manual strangulation.
He added that the postmortem conducted on the 8th of September 2018 at the Rachuonyo Hospital revealed that the unborn baby had a stab wound.
So it entered through here,
yes,
from the direction, and then it came out through here.
Yes, yes. So I form an opinion that the late baby Sharon died because of sharp abdominal trauma.
During a cross-examination session, the court heard that there might have been a sexual encounter between Sharon and her killers, with Odwor explaining that this is the reason why they took a vaginal swab and DNA from the deceased. The hearing, which had been delayed for over 1 year because of scaled-down operations occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic, continues tomorrow. The case is before Lady Justice Cecilia Gidhua, who took over from Justice Jessie Lesit, who was promoted to the Court of Appeal. Waihiga Mwaura, Citizen TV.